So in today's video, we're going to be making a banana crumb cake. Girl, this cake is to die for. It is so delicious. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your ripened bananas and you can mash them with a fork or you can mash them with a potato masher. And after you mash them, you're going to go ahead and set that aside. In a separate bowl, you're going to take some sugar and some room temp butter. Then we're going to go ahead and cream that together. I'm going to make sure you get it nice and creamy. Next, we're going to take that butter and sugar and we're going to add it to the bowl with our mashed bananas. And then we're going to go ahead and add in a couple of eggs, some vanilla, a couple of tablespoons of sour cream, and then we're going to go ahead and combine all these ingredients together just until it's combined. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our dry ingredients. I'm adding in some flour, baking powder, and some salt. Now we're going to go ahead and mix these ingredients together. You don't want to over mix this batter. Just mix it until all the dry is combined with the wet. So here I have my baking dish, which I've already sprayed with some non-stick cooking spray. I'm going to go ahead and add my batter, and then I'm going to smooth it on out. Make sure it's nice and even. And next I'm going to go ahead and work on my crumble. Here I have some room temp butter. I'm going to add in some brown sugar, some cinnamon, and some flour. And then I'm going to take a fork and I'm going to work the butter and the flour and the sugar together. You want little crumbs. You don't want to overwork this because then it'll become paste. You just want to take your fork and cut that butter into the flour and the sugar until you develop little crumbs. So next you're going to take all that crumb topping and you're going to completely cover your cake. And then we're going to pop it in the oven at 350 degrees and let it bake for about 35 to 40 minutes. And then when it comes out, you want to let it cool. This crumb cake is so delicious. It's not too sweet. Cake part is cakey. It's not as dense as banana bread. The top is crumbly and crispy, and you guys, it's just perfect. Yum.